Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to find the equivalent polynomial of each binomial square displayed on the screen. To solve these exercises, I'm going to use the formula for binomial square, a minus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. In the first binomial, xy minus yz in parentheses squared, xy corresponds to the a in the formula, and yz corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, when I apply the formula, this equals to xy in parentheses squared minus 2 times xy multiplied by yz plus yz in parentheses squared. And when I simplify this further, I get x squared minus 2 times x y squared z plus y squared z squared. Next exercise, ab minus bc in parentheses squared. In this exercise, AB corresponds to the A in the formula, and BC corresponds to the B in the formula. Therefore, when I apply the formula, this equals to AB squared minus 2 times AB multiplied by BC plus BC in parentheses squared. And this equals to A squared B squared minus 2 times a b squared c plus b squared c squared. Next exercise, 0.3 yz minus 2xy in parentheses squared. When I apply the formula, this equals to 0.3 yz in parentheses squared minus 2 times 0.3 yz in parentheses multiplied by 2xy in parentheses plus 2xy in parentheses squared. Next, I have to calculate the exponents and simplify further. 0.3 squared is 0.09, and then I have y squared z squared minus 2 times 0.3 is 0.6 multiplied by 2 is 1.2, and then I have x y squared z plus 2 squared or 4 x squared y squared. 5bc minus 0.4ab in parentheses squared equals to 5bc in parentheses squared minus 2 times 5bc multiplied by 0.4ab plus 0.4ab in parentheses squared. This equals to 25b squared c squared minus 5 times 2 is 10 multiplied by 0.4 is 4, and then I have I have b times b or b squared c plus 0.4 squared is 0.16 a squared b squared. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.